Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make hot sauce labels. First, choose materials that can withstand moisture and heat, ensuring your labels last. Your design should clearly communicate your brand's personality and flavor profile. Remember to include all critical details such as ingredients, net weight, and a clear indication of the heat level. This ensures your customers know exactly what they are getting. When designing, select a font that is easy to read and aligns with your brand's aesthetic. Incorporate high-resolution graphics or illustrations to make your label visually striking and professional. It is crucial to clearly display all ingredients, potential allergens, and accurate nutritional information. This transparency builds trust and helps consumers make informed choices about your delicious hot sauce. For the best results, consider professional printing services. They can achieve vibrant colors and crisp details that home printers often cannot match. Always double-check that your labels are perfectly sized for your specific hot sauce bottles to ensure a seamless fit. When applying, take your time to smooth them out, preventing any air bubbles or wrinkles for a polished finish. Finally, ensure your label meets all local and national food safety regulations to avoid any legal issues. A catchy tagline can significantly boost your product's appeal and help it stand out on the shelf. Remember, a great label is a silent salesperson for your hot sauce. Also, for a truly effortless clean, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this amazing product and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.